Bring you brown sugar pearl milk tea recipe. Add hot water and 200 g pearl powder balls. Stir well, reduce heat to simmer for 25 minutes. Steep for 25 minutes after cooking. Spoon out pearls. Bring you brown sugar pearl milk tea recipe. After boiling, reduce the heat to simmer for 6 minutes. Tea making steps: 20 grams of black tea leaves and 500 milliliters of hot water are stirred evenly. Brew for 15 minutes, strain the tea leaves. Add 80 grams of non-dairy creamer. Add 2 40 g ice cubes. Add 100 grams of brown sugar pearls to the cup. Rotating cup. Add 250 milliliters milk tea, 20 g black syrup and 120 g ice cubes to the shaker. Brown sugar pearl milk tea teaching is over. See you next time. Bye.